In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color in Card.co. If you're looking to customize your site and make it truly reflect your personal style or brand, adjusting the text color is a simple yet effective way to make a big difference. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the specific page where you're working on your design. Pay attention to the sections that hold the text you're interested in modifying. Once you're there, proceed to select the specific text whose color you want to change. This is a straightforward step, but it's important to ensure you've highlighted the right portion to avoid any unnecessary confusion later on. When you click on the text, you'll notice that a Properties panel appears on the left side of your screen. This panel is your control center for all modifications related to the selected text. It's a handy tool that offers various customization options, enabling you to not only change colors, but also adjust font styles, sizes, weights, and much more. This time around, we'll focus our attention specifically on altering the text color. At the top left of the Properties panel, you'll spot an icon that looks like a paintbrush. Click on this to open up the appearance settings for your text. Here, you'll find all the options at your fingertips to tweak your text as per your taste. Now, for the color change, Card gives you two primary methods to achieve the perfect shade. The first is by using the color sliders and the color box. Simply adjust these until you land on the hue that fits your vision. Alternatively, if you have a specific color in mind, say a brand color or perhaps a shade you've seen elsewhere, you can use a hex code. This is a 6-digit code that precisely represents a color in web design. Simply enter your desired hex code into the designated field, and instantly your text will transform to reflect the new selection. Once you're happy with your color choice, you can repeat this entire process for any other text elements on your page that you'd like to customize. Remember, the goal here is to ensure that your page looks coherent and that all visual elements work harmoniously together. And with that, you're all set. With these simple steps, you've successfully changed the text color in Card.co, adding a personal touch to your web page or project. Personalization is key to standing out, and by learning to adjust these small elements, you're well on your way to creating an inviting and engaging user experience that perfectly communicates your message or brand identity. Thanks for watching and happy designing.